What if you could improve your balance, prevent back pain, and strengthen your back muscles with just a simple click of a button? Or in other words, improve your posture. We are Paulman RG. We have created UpCore, the first back brace system that works the deep layers of your muscles for you to truly improve your posture in the long term. Are you slouching right now? Then you most likely need this. Here's an interesting fact. The average person spends 15 hours a day in a slouching position. When you slouch, your head moves forward 4 inches on average, applying pressure of 40 pounds to your shoulders, neck, and back. That's the equivalent of carrying a child on your shoulders for 15 hours every day. Now imagine what this does to your posture and back. The good news is that we have a simple, clinically tested, and easy-to-use solution that really works. UpCore is the world's first patented back brace device that seamlessly strengthens your core and back muscles in just 14 days, allowing you to maintain good posture all day, every day. UpCore strengthens your posture in 2 ways. The first is with an immediate result. The back brace instantly aligns your posture, relieving tension on your spine and neck. The back brace draws your shoulders back, allowing your spine to immediately shift into the correct position. But it's not enough. A back brace alone holds your shoulders instead of your muscles, causing your back muscles to become lazy and weak. As a result, you slouch even more. This is where UpCore changes the game. UpCore's second and unique advantage is its FDA-cleared EMS and TENS wireless technology, which tones, strengthens, and relieves your back and core muscles. EMS technology is used by NASA as it's the most effective method to work out targeted muscles. EMS sends soft pulses to the muscles, triggering hundreds of muscle contractions. Thanks to our advanced 23 minutes full workout program, UpCore effortlessly tones and strengthens your muscles. TENS uses low-energy current to relieve pain and discomfort. Together, they can fix years of slouching and back pain. UpCore comes in 2 models. UpCore Seamless, small and seamless brace you can wear underneath your shirt. It focuses on placing your shoulders back into place and strengthening your upper back muscles. UpCore Total, the complete posture changer, reinforces abs and back muscles for complete spine alignment and reinforcement. The belt kit includes additional replaceable pads for complete muscle reinforcement. Place them on other key postural muscles, such as your neck or lower back. Connect the UpCore wireless brain and let it work its magic. So if you want to build long-term, strong postural muscles, reduce back and neck pain, and most importantly, say goodbye to slouching for good, get your UpCore now.